Hi, it's David in the Stained Glass Studio. I thought we might put this mirror into the framework today. Now this is mirror and it's covered on the back silver part with a vinyl overlay to protect it. And so the first thing I need to do is set it down to make sure that it fits. And there it is. Fits right in there beautifully. Just exactly the way we want it. Okay, so now that I've checked it, I've got to push up a little bit. Set the mirror aside. Now you see I've got the little lip. And I'm going to set our mirror in place. I've got some black silicone here. And I have to see if it's any good. It's been open for a while, so I have to okay, that looks like a pretty good bead. So now what I'll do, right now, I'm just putting the silicone down on this metal, but I don't have anything to protect it from the board itself. So if I get any silicone that smears over onto the board, it'll stick to it. So what I'm going to do after I get this little bit on here is I'm going to put down a piece of protective paper so that the two won't stick together. Okay, so there is our protection. Now I'm getting the gap to be the same amount of gap on each side. Okay, that's it for now. After it sets up for about 12 hours, I'll come back and I'm going to styrofoam split.
So it looks like you've got 2-inch styrofoam all the way around.
Okay, that's what they require at the UPS store in order to ensure glass.
So do you have a problem with taking it to UPS? Do they complain about shipping glass?
Not a bit. What I also do, I take it to them like this, and then they put it in a box and put either bubble wrap or foam peanuts around it.
So you obviously think that that this will be rigid enough for the mirror to not move around. I read somewhere that you have to make sure that it would not be hurt if it were dropped from a certain height. But I wouldn't want to drop it just to find out.
Well, you know, Jeannie, we've sent enough pieces. Using UPS.
They've always been really good to work with. They're very nice.
Now then, you see this? That would give me the extra 2 inches that I need on the outside edge.
Mm-hmm.
I need to figure out just exactly.
This is where you work out.
Who would think styrofoam would be that much of a workout, huh? Okay, so now this fit.
And I guess you could put it in a wooden box, and I think you have done that in the past. But you find that styrofoam is probably better because it's lighter and it's this is good, huh?
Well, a wooden box is okay, but it's got that rigid side to it, so it's more dangerous. And also, we find when we take it to the UPS store,
You're getting
we
good
have
at
them
this now.
put it in a cardboard box with all that foam around it. That's when you got that, drop test where it'll be okay. Sometimes I use duct tape. This time I'm using painter's tape.
Is one better than the other? As long as it sticks, I guess.
It sticks to itself, so that's how that works. Now I gotta get. So there it is, ready to go. We'll take it to the UPS store and let them take care of the rest. This stuff costs about